So welcome back to my channel, and today we want to get started with Ansible. So we want to learn how to automate all your IT infrastructure. So we have Linux machines that we want to automate now, and we're going to start from the host machine to the server 1, server 2, server 3. So let's else SSH into the host machine using the SSH command. That SSH. So we have to put the admin username, which is Azure Tutor 1, Azure Tutor rather, at so we'll put the public IP. We'll put the public IP, and okay, let's just enter. Then the fingerprint, yes. And also we can add the password of that host machine. All right. Okay, so we've successfully done that. So we need to SSH into the server 1 as well. So we want to do all this manually first and see how it works. So let's SSH. So the admin username of the server 1 is Azure Tutor 1 at the public IP address, the fingerprint, yes. Then we can put the password. So yeah, that's successfully done. So we'd repeat the same thing for the server 2, which is SSH for the admin username, which is Azure Tutor 2. Okay, that public IP, yes for the fingerprint, and put the password. All right. So successfully done. All right. So the next thing that we need to do is to check the SSH directory. Let's see. Let's see what we have there. And here I see authorized keys. So let me just check. But we need to generate a key that we want to use because we need to make it secure. So we just do SSH key gen. Then the key type we are going to use is ED25519. So we want to comment it with Adeni, and that is it. So enter, and I want to leave it in this directory ID underscore ED25519. All right, I don't want any passwords. Okay, that's fine. All right, so this same key gen that I've generated, I need to just check if it is there indeed. All right, okay, we can see the public key and we can see the private key .pub and the normal one. So this same key is what we want to copy into the other servers, which is server 1 and server 2. So how do we do that? We're going to well, first let me even see how the public key look like, because don't forget there's a comment that added to the public key, to the key type that I generated earlier. So let me see if it will be there. All right, fine. You can see Adini at the extreme, but that's the key. All right, so the next thing is to copy the same key to the other servers, the server 1 and server 2. So how do we do that? We're going to SSH -copy -ID, then we can say -impute, then say the home /.ssh, you can say /ID underscore. So we're going to just copy that directory ID ed25519.pub, right? So we are now going to add the username of that any server you want to add. So I want to put it to server 1. So but the username of the server 1 is Azure Tutor 1. Then at the public IP of the server 1, enter. So if you ask for anything, let me see. All right, it's asking for the fingerprint. Yes, we've done that. So we can put the password of that server. That's what we are still going to be using for now. Okay, so you can see number of keys added, 1, which is successfully done. So we can clear this. Then we're going to repeat the same thing just because we want to copy it to the server 2. So let's just edit that because the admin username of the server 2 is Azure Tutor 2 at. So let me copy the IP address of the server 2. Okay, good. Then fingerprint, yes. So I can now put the password. All right. Okay, so yeah, so you can see number of keys added to the server 2 is 1. So now we just let's just confirm if all these keys have been added truly. So let's just confirm if all these Okay, so let's cat it .ssh slash authorized keys. All right, let me see if those keys are added. Or all right, it is added. So that's for the server one. Let me check for the server two. Um, LLSH. Okay. All right. So let me cat the authorized key SSH slash authorized keys for the server two. Let me see if the key is there as well. Yes, it is there. So that's the thing. So the next is to now install Ansible using the documentation.